Hey, this is for you travelers and tourists, both international and local. Get your flight ticket, do your hotel reservation, and book your accommodation before you get there. Diamond Traveling Agency will help get you visa information for wherever you plan to fly to, airport assistance as you plan to fly. We issue travelers insurance and currency exchange. For tourists and visitors, visit our carpool and rent a car of your choice. Teammate Traveling Agency is the most reliable traveling agency around. We are situated on your way to Mbalade, opposite Texaco at Wrong Point, Longcat, at the Cosmicum Building, door number 202. Visit and be served professionally. Call us on 22202985 or 95562869 to book for an appointment. Diamond Traveling Agency, simply the best.
Whoa! 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 Country people for Mogamo, for Whitcomb, for any side we want to see this station. They call it Mogamo Cultural Heritage. We na much TV. The man where they bring on the story, they call him Mogamo Cultural Ambassador. If you do watch him for your first time, may you subscribe, may you share, may you talk for your friends them about the Google News about Mogamo Cultural Heritage Station. For example, for today, it talks say waiting. It talks say any man where the worker, me any place where you day, me you make sure say you keep your footprint. This pineapple, it come on for any man where in the year, this story, say any place where you day, make you ask yourself, say which side my own footprint a day. Now we pineapple for Tori for today. Head for Tori na say waiting. Head for Tori and they talk say deal with antenna. It don't work sweaty for that's all Mogamo people. You where you do worker with family. Worker turn for coast. You know the agree, me your picking the no country dog. That means say they call you say come go. But she can say wait. If you are picking, they don't know your mother's tongue. That means say they don't sell you for coast. With it also, we antenna, and it tonton, and it take them. Go for Barrister Archer Kenneth. This Barrister Archer Kenneth, he too, if we gather Mogamo people. Say me the cash don't drink one cup. Mimbo, me with Tori, five Tori, because they don't say, when we be together, we don't feel four. When we be one, we go four. If we gather people for a compound, we knock Tori, we chop Nankon, we drink wine Mimbo, we drink wine. All kind of wine if it did. If it too much for day, we chop at you, now wait, it will not be chopped. All kind of country chop if it did. Mutumbo, if it come out. Tori be pass. Sweaty, they talk business talk for day. They talk kind by kind talk. All this talk now for say waiting. Say we will take Mogamo go before. We want come up for day. The man from the company when Barrister Archer Kenneth. It be open doors. It be NMA feel free. Mr. Raymond go when Mokuda president of the Walla branch. It be knock head for it be knock Tori for day. We be last entry from here. They will go visit another elite for days the way they come before. When I go hear the Tori. For this time, we will take when I go for Barrister Archer Kenneth for that side for Carrefour Sebeg. When I go here, Mutumbu way and be passed for day. We're not going to end for here. We the one talk for our country people say some that game where they play go for America, they call it say American TV lottery. This year, 26 people they be win for we center. So me man not miss the luck this time. We can't play lottery for we place. And for you for play that lottery, they don't talk this time say you must get traveling passport. That book where you must get that before you enter inside avion for Waka. They don't talk say you must get that book before you play that lottery. You where you like for play that American TV lottery. Start now. Go make your passport. No say before the say that August where we the open door for start collect document for prepare for play that lottery for October. Your passport won't come out. We play your lottery. Other people they pass they go. Sometimes this year, now a year. We not get plenty for talk. For say we pray for all we Mogamo people, for all we friends. Say either side where they did it, may God protect them for we. Because with God, all things be possible. The man where the Nakuna de Mutombo, na Mogamo cultural ambassador. If you don't see me, no say we don't go for go gather kako for bring them forward now. So thank you plenty. If you see my back, no say for tomato we will see them again. If you see the fine background where we did not to read for day. If you like forget your own country clothes like the one I wear up, or like the one the way you deserve for background, contact with for the telephone number for under here. Small time we will knock some mutumbu way they call us say fashion parade. When I go see all kind traditional wear them. When I go see how they disrupt. When I go see all kind where you did not come for ding we send your own nana so it is your side where you did. Whether you did for white man country or you did for black man country, we get them kind by kind. If you need your own, you don't call me for the telephone number where you did for under, we will send it for you. For small money, we throw away when I salute, save me when I stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Your televiewers, you're welcome to the last group year this August day. The 20th May 2021, here we find ourselves at Barrister Kenneth, relaxing ourselves, drinking our pichu from Mogamo. Yes, the mission of this group is to sit and relax and share ideas that can develop Mogamo from higher to higher heights. As you can see it for yourself, notables, elites, they are here seated on the only condition that at least you must have one room where you are resident. That is the only condition. Stay tuned. Thank you. As time goes on, the climate is gradually changing. Acknowledge the presence of all the important notables here seated on this August day, known as a relaxed day for the Mogamo elite here in Douala. This day has been set aside just to relax, drink, enjoy, and share ideas.
So, program so any extensive program. So, TV Kone opening prayer. Wafi Misamba for being opening prayer. Then in Ongu Wafi ne Karawanga Nep by Saacha Ubiga no Mona. And then because TV you are leader, you are president. Mr. Fondo Dakos be opening remarks. And then Mangu then when they better no more ni figure nga ubiga wamba ni punic wo be chabuga ubere no oni niga oni encourage wa and good is nga atema motivational talks so bendende ne be better business mo ne yin akewa be fi carry la awonjonga biye contribute ni abi ram then ibin ongu jagawa timojek tibere vote of thanks close remarks so because mo konon be aga sharp
ba we ko ke kang te bo tong we bo ne zo mo na ne ni ya kan ni bo akong bo ik fortu mo na na te bo be mu ha mo te na kan no ne bo chu mo te berry ni kong wa nyot ni chu be gap jug together rambanok bonjowa na ne che so no ni te bo tong we Gavin bi yeti wa kondu inga no konguna la we to yendi ka ninga we kum the po tong la bi chewa abi no wa chinga wa program tete inga ne lo te chong la tete njo abi bo wa ba mbam fi sha mba no ma te nga ben aben ze na inga la tete njo nga bo tin njo wa be no ngo yi do ba ma zi conserva bi abi Shade zwe kanu de mbam de tat newe so shanga banga nanga ben mramo ga ngo ne doi tete jongani de bo tong we abi chawa newa tete jowa ya can be in our kum wa se piste amen
voilà na ya ka objective the mission the purpose ni ga de chongane in the course of the day atane wa host bigan wa president bigan bibitan ke tuni tianga and then ngawa agenda tibi bere tam oni gambi announcement tani tibi jawa then time obi and the announcement no mo ngune amobe ni announce then time we abisi take that opportunity so without any waste of time maybe karawa host barrister our secretary our coordinator
Vamos, bo ni mo che ko puch ni ha. Jimana ya kana. Relax group oye. Oye. Relax group oye. Oye. Gamba ye chu chong. Oye. Acha ya jon. Ba ga cha host receiver one. Ma ta woni ni ga na acha jon ya jon. Rujim ya ba bo chuo ni chuo ye ga chite chuo relax within ourselves jigwa so kai mo be ka mo nji mo ba kana aya ka chuma na mo we no bo ja ka fu bu ni ga be ye chim bi ye je mo na aya ka no ni do ni ga ti chim bi wa ma jwa ga mo ga wa yi che ti ga ma ye ka ni ga mo no che ka ngu ma che ni ku chi ni ga ngu ti ye chi wa mi ye ga mo wa no wa shiaga ta ga mani wa fi mo ne ka bene ya bona ba standard ba che bona mani mo che ngwa mo ki ko nga ko ba ngi ga tong mara wi ye ti chita ne ka mani e mo bo ko ta ne for example no pan to be na minute of silence ka ba wango ne ku nji ya ko e che ne ta ga che ne ta be the belly chamber near Tangawo. And nearly the mud nature, a shoot at Tangawo. No more shooting with a crook that she here now. The new warning, Yamo. No canoe, wowing in the ocean. But Nika Jambaye, because we're opportunity to bongo. Then bang, other morning bam over touch the jiggle. Jemana Kana. Naya for knitting with one bar that one and it. The mobile judge, I go short. Na boy kera bar guma wo ye mo chan bo krika she ye na ya ka bo wa pa no banda pre unique amo ber tu bar mo ne nga cha ban ne amo chi bo a kera nwa wo ka nwa bo mwana ka me voju a boy je te be chembi na ya kana
Voilà. Voilà, thank you very much. What is your mission? What is your objective? Dane bikiko bikaka kum timbi bari we mo ojo no onai mo ga ekum ya relax. Liga touch one relax. Relax oye? Relax oye? Voilà. So to be the apparent president. Liga utan to ore. Why we are here? Liga ngamine to bume ugama. So the Bobo president is a production. I was there and also
Banama. Boy, I'm a Bobo secretary, become Bobo president, be no. So for Bobo president, no. Yeah, Mokondo, the fun, our mobile way. Jim Obi, Ramagosi. Bigger, eh? Yeah, good. I actually went to go to running. Go to running. And I better be your money. Bonka mabesha matiwakum. Makamni in ayaka babarma. But you can be a macha creation and ongo. Agamo ayefebe. Kabe creation and ago. Kakaine. Ayan nige mo. Alige mo ya bo to tigezoni. Wa fi mo ne bo abonanga botoy. Kakaya maro kakaya ne mo wono chane gur bo bato. Ye bo ngana. It's a way to one going. Maragona, Marichi, no one in the gun. Jayango. Teach one name no moon on the yen. The government on one yen, 18 at the base and the real good to give more. Nigga, Chega be you the shot. The unit to win. For man was in there. We got the name to the baby to Aka. Anyway, what you need, but I a bong and up. We'll burn up on a Babonizi, but fighting Banzi. I am Sango Remon, but the Bobo Nabo. I have bong and of Nick Condi ye. Nigga be Guma Woni. He doesn't draw the jump. And I need to in Ongo. And we're winning, we are yet the good no. Even though Timberna, Egumaria, Tiny Way, Moko Endless, Magana, Omo, the Baramut, Agaboma, only why it is a Manu Grimo, when you take and draw the Jonkane. I am Moko and the Layetimino, the Chuashi no. I'm Nikon at the Guno Niggas chamber. We're more for BB 10,000 baby, and say Bonko baby at Ogonigo. And they are what Johnson, Daga, but the Bobo Nabo. Jimo does never pound on in Ayakanop. But you are put you winning Boya Congo, Buffing Chom, Bukondi Chom. This is a begin the John in the year Peter Chom. It's a Babani St. John Kagane. A welcome, Yamekane relaxed group. But you need a business tenga, a economic capital. I am a garage one day, as you know, you ain't to Yaming as a cook, but never. Uchilumba. I had to get a cook, I be never, and I will watch your fire. And they get more merchant there is a one a weekend. I got more, I won't get show. And be more, I got my own family meeting. And be more, I will not attend my meeting, dan, and I'm a child, I'm a cat, I got man one never. The don't have a woman, I will not have a opinion. Guru. The baby truth one in the Gamo, Aja, Pebe, que bego age que bego non bego que si nega aya mezani te tuongo bichenu wo bodi no denga grunga ka chenu wo ka bi nongondim chenu wo show bi nongondim chenu wo meeting bi nongondim chenu wo ombe no ana bi chukuchuku won echigo nabi ye mugo minga kereza ga ngangam ni te mugo o kondi bi engu igwo mo obi nanu boro kwet je aya kuchigo ni te ayi engu nga relax group aka group ni we mo no ye ne on ese nga che ka jenga to de tati aya ba mi ne mo no ne ti kondi du tinga mo du mi go ye ka mi fo bo kwe wo ka ka ne so ma kam ni ga wo ma me ke ya group on ka ya group ni ka aya ga ya aya mu du ni mi ni me friend ni da do wo ba ni relax che mo no on ye kan go ni singa ni da ba ne to ka ngo de je ma kam ni be ga no be chenga e chi ko ni chi de gere mo no omo etam o me ngunu mo ombe fe go na ni je kam ni ga ndi te kopo no but then aboni da ko do te chong ti wo go free ye me ko aba relax mo kondo chi ma ga shuwa ti ya go chi woni mu nu mo aya go zini bo ma ne ti tu mo che te wi jega mo chi ti abo ko ka ti bia ga mtinga mo oni nga wor ma ye chi woni no mo wu no ongu wu no ombo wu nga mo amochi wu wete we wu wete nabi because bombi ni te jueni e chi te be chawo ja wa ja bo ne koko abi ni nga nga ko zena ka bi ni nga ne pinga gum do so ndo wi ko ya to ye bo ma ne to of their money we shi nga motivational talks ana agajina wo fi chuo ni keri na fi ga bo mbe fi ni ga mbe fi na nga mo ongu aga woro no ongu ba mo be go mo bi na nga fi nga tama mo taxation guru we mo only get no tax fi ga nga ne ga mo ba mo opomo nga ko kai ne we mo be nyi nga mo bi ne mo nga mo go ni bi chire wo nga ngu ga mo wo mo nga bi na we ma ga chi bi na ni be be for shi kwan for go mo wo mo bi ga ni bi ga ba mo mi nga ni ti kere ngo le ti ga na wo mo ma ga na ye ti mi mo to shi be ku ye te we because amo be we ba don aga ni be gu ni ga mo lo se amo to shi mo ngo so ti bi chu nga ni ye mu ta nga chi amo chi bi ma de tong aka ti wi go ye ti tinga ana wo gu no nga wo no omba wo nga mo ni ga ma ga mi chi le we te ma je we te na wi te tu je we te ba ni ba ma jo aya ko chiwoni te bia kwengo we o chiwoni te tuta che ti wo bana da we tin wo che aya to ni makam ni nga pa yo ne na aya ka bo bar mo ombini ka jo instruction on ka inga group because instruction o ka inga group te no ni ga mo ni te bi gubo ko nu magana ba mo ombini ni pressure ye go na after that mo ni be me ni benjamin na wo anego ve yu to mo maga mo gubo because the Ghanaian no engineer organize when you be yen tikichom ti ya magani no nige mo atibi tibi nwenwu bokonu ber mo oje to worship fa agon gongu aya to jini mo very sure aga mo te big no nga bani aga mo je wi kwi te chom but you ni te ka no ne ber respect de go bokonu ber ti gada ber mo ana mo le kamni na aya ka bu and I'm going to have organizing committee and the end of the town. Ni Mokondo, Mobi in the past, they introduce a work. Pose of a gamin, Chapel introduce a money become my automatic organizing committee. Mr. Mbak Consular, and I want to go down with Gangu, but the Bobo Nabo. Ba with Gangu. Ba me ka bobo na ye chicken be money. Okay, yes. Yeah, mo ga wa to ogudan. Okay, ya ba won ni ba ye dan go break. Ba ngen wa, bo di bobo na bo. Acha ya wa gamu ka ba am so tanyi wa gamu bo di bobo na bo. When don't go away, I tell you, Nico Cap. Tu te gabo boko zonani. Tiago mon announcement. Ane singo ni tego. Motani ni tego. Motani ni tibi boko no. Ah, mala ya kago. Akan bini wara ko mati tiga ya cha. Boko no so that the family one ya te ma no ko achikichon. Timothy was young as in which when I can bomb a yini, Temojot, no only pound anytime surprise all I know because the Bakayan and you but one in a moment and that. Yama when a green bet in Bimo. Innovation in Tegamanera, Tiagaba, you know what I will name Bayam Omo Bay. Bay what away fat. Bayam Omo Bay and got away fat, more converting in Mutak, more as any they said, mud. Innovation de Brony and was on Yanagomba because no moment go ya imba no bamba, Makavan beat no Tachigan Wunabi. So Moya imba, Bamba near the free gamba, no eyeball to eyeball. Ye gamba no which the one. Native my years war, can be Jugo, Bono de Timbers war. Ya, Chumbana. So Makanin upon in Agna Yakanok and they will remember for an active job. Na ya kabu woni wo fa binu bonga funka yi nga le bigam gam on nga barokwe ani na ya kawo mo manyi ko ni barbi na be ko ga maka bokno wa fi chini host ka gama nga wo nga chan ya chuma ga kamni ga ma go pon we be ko ya fa be point ago agenda chuma ga ni ga ma go man mi be ko de be ga ma go ana ya metengar ba ni wa ba no okat gam na bokno atwo number ya jo wunga Naya Kabutangi, Naya, you know, only Bagam Gamna, and you put in the division, sing what that's going to sing Moyamongo available. I had 20 there, matters arising. The Wagane, I go to Gonaka, but more white won't work. Commit what 1 day, Bono Mogno, you bego, the bus when the matters arising. Joe Nayaka, what you need, we aim to call him on our big amount of Grumia group of crack. In fact, Ngandari, Nga put him on the one, Tibeni Quack, Tibeni two bird. So, Abu Origin, Maga, but enjoy what they feel free to relax. And I got in Beganga come no, and you guys one, but make all go. I am on the Shango practically to relax. They know what they mock on the jigger, what they mock on the note, they mock on the mood, the bum, what at the moment with fact they go freely. I have way and the occasion one. German Ayakabu watching. Shaga, the baby Nuanga, Mokono, the big Wabber Moka, the Bogo, one watching. You bigger go, Neze, and you defer for a man who more. Jemokono, Mobi was a you mother go over you don't get him. The kind of German American.
But yeah, a business magnet. For the business, so the money, Konga investment, so the first money, Konga no nabi, I could be a president Akuda of that is Akuda Angi Culture and Development Association for more than 20 years now.
I'm not okay. It's crisis that is still keeping me there because they it's crisis.
So am I no business? Okay, am I no investment? Okay, am I no
enjoyment group? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Enjoyment group? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My better opportunity won't be that mama. And I'm the second time I'm a quarter meeting. I'm a band, but I'm more tired of Bamenda. Even though with crisis, we cannot leave Bamenda. I am because of these forums. I, for example, I have all the 4 Sundays of the week, all the 4 Sundays of the month. I have groups like this that keep me happy, and that's why make only getting a group they can never leave Bamenda because you find yourself that Christ can nature when we no Bamenda
a group like this. Because you see the group of people you meet, the group of people you move with, and you know how you interact. It is what matter, not the money you make. Yes, it is what matter. Because this is all. You understand? You cannot compensate this to money. I was all. Chef to compensate sitting room to money. If you value this, value a sitting room, convert to money. For some people it will be about 100,000, some people will be about 200,000. That you cannot compare. And this is what makes life. If you cannot meet like this with your own brothers, everyone sitting, then there is no use of working money. You won't work all your time, you don't have time to meet and relax. Then there's no use. I have told you I'm born or carbon or beer, but I can cry, send a chip of no, I can know ye. I have become a interact. They have meetings like this all around every week. All the Sundays, they have this interaction. I thought my the first time I met this meeting is my Moyo's house. My God, no. The Douala is better than Yaoundé. I've left in Yaoundé for more than 1 year. Chimake Bara group like this where people meet. If you don't have a group like this where you meet every month, every week, every 2 weeks to relax, then what are you working the monies for? Then there's no use of working the monies. I had 2 more but people cannot live by the groups like this every week. Njange groups listen where they should and relax. You cannot turn the millions into drinks and drink in your house alone until you are with your friends. Before you can turn it to food and drinks and then make yourself happy. I was all. I am member groups and people. So I am very, very pleased. I think I'm going to call up room. I know Douala is a place to be. And I'm a very when you live in a place, leave your footprints. But you what? No be bo. So that time a child will be near when bo. It's true. It's true. I was all. And not drinking cheniga, but very chan. But say very chan. I have bought on no. So then I chill bo away, be near when you be bo. I won't a chow what I came on. I was all. Chimney be cut out chow when I can rent there. Chow what I can. I charge it. I come away when there will corner was in there. I can rent there. I was all. I charge them back cut away and the walk home. I charge you corona. So, bo be number no I'm born. So, man, I car. And yeah, Bombona now. But you con them on the condia. When more occurred, but on the I took it better, but oh, but could we hear well better, but oh, then the corner could do our zoom. Yeah, Momba Magamoni with the one who breathe better, as soon as say, with the one nigga, with a better, as say, British Foundation, with the one nigga, for Cora Foundation, British Torn up, with the one nigga, for Jeton up, with plaster. A condo and Yinga and Marani. So, my Yinga, one guy will bring a meeting with a car. I was all a condo way because Timara, I a relaxation group. Mamma, you know, current enough. Timber bit to America relaxation. I'm about to go one about to work a galley. Timber bit to America, but a taniga. But I couldn't near a man about Burger, landlord, no, I don't tell and tell. Checking us one was asking a marriage won't. I know why me wait keeping for years. When I go find some hot makeup, may wait keeping for day because deep late 10 and the day, they know they make no nothing for years. No one will come out. Yes, so, but couldn't and Moya businessman, but I did buy and sell from Nigeria and then process them a cheap. To where I am, Maconia, but conduit no more new pacing my uncle Bonime. Magawa bundle to 9. But Kerala, what time am by Annie? But better 30 to 50 years. Anaya, the Caviacino table. At 60s, I believe I'm cowage history. The car now much capable, I'm a chaka, you know, I'm off. I sang a much history. I was all saying I'm watching history. Some better 30 to 60 years. And if more at 70s, I'm a chef for 5. I say I'm covered with more history. I used to do this, I used to do that. But all that used to is very practical. So, the time number at 30s, you're already at mature stage of working and doing something. You get 30 years, from 30 to 60s, a year of investment. And if you cannot do anything for that, at 70, forget. Also, I said, my history. So if there is anything you have in your life to do, plant it from 30 to 60. You understand? And from 30 to 60s, you are not supposed to be working. You sit and your money be working for you. And how can you plan that? First thing, I think I'm better. Because our history, people came and made plots at 2,000. You understand? To keep monies in the bank at counter blockade, they will not help you. If you are opportune and you get a plot at 2,000, at 5,000, buy even 2,000 square meters. And if you can insure and last okay, you get it and keep. Then by sometimes you can sell and build. You understand? When you build the one you are staying, you build the one you can take rents at 70. Because at 70 you are not supposed to be working. That time you are due retirement and your money is be working for you. If your money if you cannot plan your money to work for you at 70, forget. It's true. You'll be blaming your children. You'll be carrying blames and blaming your children. Oh, I use my money and send this person in school and he cannot give me this. And then you average him a curses and which will not be correct. Let your monies work for you till your grave. Then when you hand your signature, you hand with money. Also, you don't hand any curses. You are handing money and not curses. Also, because you fine minus the children from 70 onward. Because from 70 onward, you are not really working. Your money will be working for you. If your money is working for you, you will be fine and then you will not hand curses. Because your money is already there working for you. So, more advice, more than real estate management. More buy and sell in Nigeria. More junka ko Nigeria take cosmetic. Buy and sell. And more succeed. And then more conduct. It is not good to hide the secret between me. Let me release the secret so that other people can succeed. Because you cannot enjoy the summit alone. You enjoy the summit with people. When you are in the summit alone, you cannot enjoy the summit. No way, no way. You get to the summit with people, you enjoy the summit. So, after more, look, I am in real estate management. People make, when you want to take a project, you understand? When you want to take a project, you have a plot and you want to take a cheap project. Hello, Valley. Look at yourself. That I have bought a plot. My salary is 150,000 francs. 150,000 francs is 1,800,000 francs per year. And I'm at 25 years now. You understand? This house has to turn a taste of 50 years or 30 years. Okay, when I'm building a house at 25,000 francs, at 1.8, which is my salary now, then this house has to stand a taste of 30 years or 20 years. By then, whom will I be? Multiply that salary by 10 years or 20 years, you know whom you will be in the next 20 years, and you'll be a house that will reflect you. Rather than building a house and the next day you are saying that this house is not okay for me, I want to build another house. The problem we have is because we want to build a house and finish in one day. You understand? That is the problem we are facing. Because we want to build a house and finish in one day. You can build a house for 5 years. Supposing you know that that house will meet your standard in the next 20 years, you build it for 5 years. You understand? You first of all build the house, stay in the skeleton without finish, and finish at your convenience for the house to take your standard, to meet your standard in the next 20 years. People hurry. The man I'm talking to you is your president. You understand? I've just passed and saw his house. I know that that man has a vision. The house reflects him. The house that I've not even entered the house. They just the structural work. I know that he will meet standards in the 60s. Also, by that time, his money will have tripled. You understand? That house will still be at his standards in the next 20, 30 years. You understand? Yes. I am watching them foresee. We should stay and focus and then foresee. And that this is my movement. You take your salary, multiply by 10, multiply by 20, and know whom you will be in the next 20, 30 years. You take 5 years to build your house, that will suit you for the next 30 years. Don't hurry. Do the structural work, stay, then do finishing, stay, and do the last finishing. You take time, take 5 years to build your house, that will suit you for the next 30, 60 years. Take 5 years. People hurry, and then when they hurry, you see sometimes they say, okay, this house does not meet my standard. It is because you do not forecast. You do not know whom you will be in the next 20 years. It's a simple method and calculation to tell you whom you will be. I built my house 1990. If people who know pre-unique, I built my house 1990 when SDA was launching a party now. Yeah, if you know my house at Tatru, go inside that compound. It's a 1,800 square meter. I built it in 1990. That is the age of SDF. Yes. It is now that house reflects me now. Yes, with what I have, it is not that when I enter that compound now, it reflects me now. And that is my retirement house that will take me to eternity. You understand? So those are some of the things that we forget to take into consideration. I am telling us, Mugamo people, there is an opportunity. You people grab, you come to a place there is a virgin land like this. Grab and keep. You pay at 2,000 or 10,000. Your neighbors will come and buy at 20,000. Your neighbors will come and buy at 25,000. It will help you. It looks like counter blockade. And then don't hurry over your buildings. Sometimes, let me tell you something. Why it needs an expert to tell you whom you will be in the next 20, 30 years is because when you think that you are a worker and you are paying your taxi, some expert will tell you that with this your salary, in the next 2 years you have a car. With this your salary, in the next 5 years your wife will have a car. So before you build, you have to provide for 10 car park. You and your wife and 8 others. That's how your building has to look like to reflect you in the next 20, 30 years. Do you understand? So all that we have to know. So I am telling you people that we are marching through. And then when we are marching through, we should bring our brothers together. And this thing was only, this forum was only limited within Bonaberry. I want you people to enlarge this forum. Because when I came, I did not find my brother here. I said, no, something is missing. You people should enlarge this forum because this forum people learn. You understand? Don't limit it to Bonaberry. Enlarge it to the whole Douala. So that you can come and educate the other people at Yassa, the other people at Dombo, so that they can learn. It's not only Bonaberry. So thank you very much.
So, Masa, I can only say thank you very much. It's a wonderful advice. Note down all the salient points. But you could make a motivational talk from his own. Just buttress on 2 issues. Just 2 issues. They may not actually touch what he's touched, but they may be going through other things. One, the first issue the Benia, especially in Bania, whether you are working or you are doing business, the importance of diversification. Nigga, I'm a co-business. Give yourself maximum 5 years. You call the second business. By another 5 years, you call the third business. Another 5 years, you call in fact, in 20 years, you have at least 4 lines of operations. Because because every business, every line of business, there will expiry time. For now, you know, although for corridor for Chunga, business the future is assured. But imagine if you don't know, best no to the one guy channel, no one know. Good night, he ate no. But you know, I'm not the 10 times after a day, and the business is growing. Ongoing. Yes. And then in a normal secular training, diversification reduces risk. I'm a diversifier now. Naturally, the risk of you failing is reduced. Probably I'm a big bang more any choker. That's one of the things that they will look at. Nigga, okay, this line of business, if it fails, what else would this man rely on? If they know that you are only irrespective of, like, let me take for instance, Mr. Fondo, you have 2 camions and you are doing business. You are running the road. I'm just giving an example. Now you come to take a loan. When mommy connect, if something happens, the camion boom, your finger gi. Because any other person, you know, the worst case possibility, no? Yes. What because of this man? If this thing ends bound for May, the man is risky, no? Yeah, the man is risky. So, business. Diversify as much as possible. Be very critical. The next thing, closer, but I mean, diversify. How do you diversify? It should be closer to your main line of business. Batch one, the main line, near Taka moto. We see need diversify. Say show me moto fee. Need diversify. Say show me para. Expert para shop. So me diversify. Don't try and know all the mechanic. Factory. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. That's not how they diversify. So me closer to your line of activity, and then you diversify within that line. And then what is another importance of diversification? Because I will say, traffic, you cannot become rich working your own money.
Thank you.
It's impossible. The owners of CCC can be rich because we are there. My example, people are there, more than 200 people working for them. Because they are diversified, they are doing other things, people are working for them. So once you diversify, you make more money. So that is the first part. The second part, the importance is it goes a little bit and the importance they invest as you go along. Because especially for instance, provision, the benefit motor, they always just need money as they have 2 million they put in stock. As they are opening a new magazines, as they have 20 million, they continue growing the business, but they don't get to like plant the money. Nigamo, once you get to a level, after 5 years, you must see what investment have you made, especially in terms of real estate. The easiest one is real estate. And when you buy a place, because now from the experiences we are all had, nigga, better sacrifice. Even if it will take 5 years, nation in a better land title, because that is the kind of place that can help you. But no better but those places cannot help them. Nigga, once you also grow in business, invariably you need a loan. Invariably, nigga, by some default to go to the next level, you always need a loan. And see, I mean, a loan. More better store king at two things, okay. More better store Bonamusadi. More better store if they cannot spin you to something that we can even use as guarantee. I'm also saying so as a credit expert. I'm not taking advantage as a credit expert. Nigga, as you grow in life or in business or in an activity, you must plant something. Nigga, you can use as a guarantee or as a security to go to the next level. Not only going to the next level, because as we walk along, there will be problems. I feel better problem I need closer store. Meanwhile, you may not need to go through that. I think a better business. And then a loan. So there are these two things here. One, the importance of diversification, and two, the importance of investing wisely at every time. I myself 5 years to get to something else, to try to do something else or learn something else, and then to get something new. Perhaps when I say house or do something new like that, and I will say program, a target, a budget near where in these two dimensions. Okay.
Mukumya Sama Moses. President Kagawai, Gamu really bomb. That yacht was a channel. Makumringa in Lambo, I need a pre unique. Well, I'm no one, I'm near Najafu investing more. I'm not going to say, assume what a limbe. I'm a pay down beach, which you know, woman will be. He has about 21 hectares. Moko. Yamoshi monitor business relationship with Hola. Okachayan, ya Professor Mobile, my minister young, I was South. Yakamana Professor Ketcher. So I went there, I saw the place. There are 500 square meters and 3 million. Yeah, so I don't know to unique guy. The film which we are by you. The John and Begam Muria, Beccaria, is no bone. We have a mobile. The Trinidad to warn a Jabba. No, even though I'm about Corona, I think if you come on, but I'm going to go to Chan. But you have a bit of a I'm a Brazilian watching. I'm a pay down beach. When they kill a man of obey in a military much more. Oh, they are just 2 kilometers, but man of obey is for that. Yeah, actually about 21 hectares. Actually before notified. Before in lot. Yeah, not actually even though I came on call up in the bon way at you want to go a mark of bonus for so a mark of work of Salabawi. Whenever could feel that's one problem of chemistry, not so choosing when talk about Dana so one. So Yanabuga meeting or more number there was 6 million and number 1,000 hectare 1,000 meters square. The nature see for me clear limbe could be. Yeah, the carrot will make us all way another. Next, would you number the motor Gayan Wabati? We got to work on our city very key. Marginal at the back. Between one or can buy very key way. Chapel operation. Okay, name it to Mobonga. My association Bononga 2010. Mokajun 1,000 square meter and 5 million. But where around that my place, 1 square meter now is 30,000. I'm a job whisper word. Real land. I'm a picture. At that way, my Tomboria, but you had land certification, World Bamlikia, Bauna character machine, Shuman, funny. Nikinam King, da Karamana Campo. One among Lance of Kerum Biabola, much 1 month. No one miss at Tambo, no one Stalin, and I will what we are again. But Maga, 1 square meter there now. I think I'm number at 30,000.
And I'll be bad.
From 5,000.
From 5,000, 2010, 2011
and I'll be bad.
So, Gamuna Gaya land. I'm a nigga, so want to check. We get in 1 time, 2 times. A man nigga jewelry cafe. So, difference from 5,000 to 30,000. 25,000 square meter more. And I'm much 1,000 square meter. Times 30,000, I can come out for me. So, you know, you have and go on or more than the road. When my baby up, because I see for highest, no more 2 months. When I was last we were Chagina, Chaffy was again.
Because name there no ta wo na zembe ni jam karam ofi ta ne no to wi ena na kore ta na ya ka bi bombe ni bekan mo no chuo ne bek ko ye kundi ni ga te yete wo mi ben ati ko ti ni na wa ti jim te bon bombe aka ne me ni ga be faka ni ge timba bia mbika faka wane bandi bu ni ga wasu kuma we ba saka be gujo me she timba ne be yi ni ga be ka nawi but what you am so say e ku ni be na timba ga mo ba saka make up ana gujo nga mbia chawa ni ka ama tawa nga ne ka wo jimina me mbini mani mbini mangi be ni wina bia me nga yi mo no nga ne che ya ba wo no ku mo wo che ko me di me akandu ni ta mu no ti ba ndia zo ambombo ga mane ka a gwe bon gwe ga bon no ba ka gwe ne che wa be yi am be na obo be ni tata ga bon ba gwe be go ye mo yi go mbini ba ti be yi be go ye. Okay, now I'm going to come because I need to be younger. But anyway, can go church, but they can't population. In every school, in every planning Bible, population will not go come away. So I think I take Bishop Bomb obviously. And I'm the one and only I see no coming to one Zeba. One banana baby and not pre you know more baby in it. Boku Kauna will bury, I can win one bound berry. Nepu knows what I call by 1990, bound one in there, bound could be when I gave more, but ne Kabu, turn them on that whole bomb that they have. I don't wait, no, you took them on Wako. I do know about 15 to be a cool food and you are what you get. I never could call away money. Alright, I'll call you when you make a long go out with. I said, you need to know the 15.
This is really relaxed. Relax.
I will better money. Alright, I'll call Conda. I won't call 1 story. I will bet for doing 1 story with 1 woman. 2 story with that. 3
woman.
I can't know you was a mother, old man, you will be. Our president. Our president. I will not one over back. Oh, tell me, I am Kawe. You won't go. Tu kunye tu ye duana. Da bi ti wa ba se ne ku no wa ukore. Tu bu ko wa wa be.
I got 100.
Well, we know so you can know se twan. No,
Ga be ru de.
you ga be good de wo lo ga. Bi a ba se wo ba. Bon, Rambo, monsieur mettez meta. Si vous le dites, avec la c'est. Bon, quel raga?
Exactly. Well, when I want people to see me when I became nice. I would not be busy. Can't one, I wouldn't on it. People say, I'm not going to breath. I got here pay. I come and put with some of the can't go away for any. When you do wear France, you go work, you go near you. Can't get here. I go here.
Okay, come on.
Imagine a church summary. Began by now, maybe. She is young, but no, Jesus. Well, we never shall. I got it within the big. But you, think I want you go. Think I want you. I want to tell us, shall we? That I know maybe more. I am as it. Ngawalo mo amwaga amwazi hai formality mama shawo amana yimo no nga no nga ko ma yimo ko mo no mo na mo che awu no wo ko mo be wa gbe ke we so amasi no mo afa wo be tuni bo mi mo wo si no mo ani se mo nga be ga na
Bala. Ya, ngam ya gwingam. So, tebe fo be foko.
Mo yi dama tan ne nga no.
Danga tebe foko. Ji this is a meeting will try the real example of relax. Nyaba reneti churewa nowa bajara but kurongu yen but nowa but churewa ne that is relax. This is more than kachiniga manga is more than millions. Ga afi bere million ga bank but million fi jun bed jun enjoyment.
Yes,
enjoyment. Better yen nane bonki a better value in your life. Because at the end of the day, it's all about your happiness. You got to try at all the time here you are happy. So when Mama Bengam we look at the teacher say be and then from there if you don't know one gam then you go good table. Me I go good table. My condola normally try a table no. Oh,